There are so many places to practice your climbing skills, so why is it always these spots, kitten? You're in my territory, and you still can't sit still. Then out of my sight!
She's a precious angel. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Can you stop chewing my computer? Hey. Stop. Havoc. Stop.
Milo. Stop chewing on the Christmas tree. Milo. Milo.
Coming.
You're a weird one. You're a weird one. You're a weird one.
De acuerdo, ese es su primer paso para conquistar el mundo.
مين كب المي؟ مين كب المي؟
Si estos gatos pudieran comer cosas que no son comida, este mundo podría desaparecer.
Huh? Buddy can't order the dog to stand still just for the tail, right? Bro's torn between holding back curiosity or becoming the shiniest cat of the day. Wow, you really just deactivated the only thing that made this machine special.
I see you. I see you. Stop it. Stop hunting me. Stop hunting me.
She's a psychopath. Yumi. Ow. Okay, but I love you. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go, Yumi.
Such a good cat. You get it again? Nana? Nana? Nana?
Alright, baby. Fluffy, 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 fluffy.
You're so rude, Mochi. Ow! You orange cats are something else. Oh, shrimp.
Bro, is this a rescue mission or just an adventure experience?
Parece que está recitando algún tipo de hechizo navideño.
In response to not getting the attention I deserve, I've decided I will cause problems on purpose.
Junior! Lapis.
Can I have some catnip? Dude, let me get some catnip. It's not all yours. I want catnip. Why are you hiding it under you? Can Mom get catnip? Mom, you try.
Oh, God.
Don't be scared, Mom. Okay, be a little scared. Be a little scared.
Ти чо? Ні, ну ти нормальний? Ну ти ж що собі спокійно.
Aslan.
Huh?
My God, no. What on earth do you think you're doing? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
So the hitter hurts more than one being hit?
Oh my God.
Someone doesn't even have to try to radiate that gangster vibe.